Hello there, partner. My name's Connor, from up north. I had the biggest farm in my region, livestock, and a darn tootin' cornfield.
Is that so? Name's Mr.Martin. I have the biggest farm in the South, and livestock too.
All right. The question is, which came first, the chicken or the egg?
The chicken came first, of course.
Had to be the egg.
You got any proof for it?
Actually, I do. Right here. Chicken had to evolve from his ancestors and be put in the egg before the chicken egg was created. The egg is how the chicken continues life.
The chicken had to evolve, but it had to evolve to lay the eggs. Before that, the chicken made like any other mammal. Therefore, people heard of a chicken before they even heard of a chicken egg.
But the egg had to be laid before the chicken was created. It's just simple common sense. The chicken can't just be born like a mammal. It has to be the egg first.
Let's say the chicken came first.
The egg came first.
The chicken came first.
The egg came first.
The chicken came first.
The egg came first.
Chicken came first.
The egg.
Chicken.
The egg. The egg.